Unit 2 Seed Selection and Seedling Production. Session 1st Seed. Hello viewers, welcome to the video lecture series for job role of Solanaceous crop cultivator class 9. In the Unit 2, we will discuss about seed selection and seedling production. In this unit, we have 3 sessions. Session 1st Seed, Session 2 Nursery bed preparation and seed sowing, and last one is nursery raising in soilless medium. Now we will discuss about session 1st Seed. In this session we will learn about these topics. First one is definition of seed, second seed quality parameters, third seed producing agencies, fourth role of private seed sector, characteristic of important varieties, and the seed rate of solanaceous vegetable crops. So students, first we learn about the seed. How can we define the term seed? Seed can be defined as a dormant embryo which develops into a plant when subjected to required environmental conditions. After its definition, we should know about its part. So, the part of seed, a seed comprises the following parts. First one is seed coat, second embryo, third one is plumule bud, and last one is radicle. Now let's focus on the second topic, is seed quality parameters. A seed should be genetically pure, bivalve, containing optimum moisture content, free from mixture of other seed, healthy and free from infection or infestation, without any damage to any of its part. Now you want to know about its production agencies. Students, seed producing agencies are our next topic. Seed production is a specialized cultivation of a crop under the supervision of trained person or expert. The authorized source of seeds in the country are: first, Indian Council of Agricultural Research, second, State Agricultural Universities, third, National Seed Corporation, fourth, State Seed Corporation, fifth, State Farms Corporation of India, sixth, Krishi Vigyan Kendras, seventh, non-governmental organization, etc. All these are national level agencies. Now the role of private seed sector. At present, a large number of seed companies are engaged in seed production or seed trades. In case of vegetable seeds and planting material, private sector is the dominant producer in India. Now the next topic is characteristic of important varieties and about the seed rate of solanaceous vegetable crop. First we take tomato. The growing habit of tomato differs in two ways. First one is determinate type. The growth of some tomato plants terminates in the flower bud. These are also called self-topping or self-pruning type. These plants are comparatively shorter in height with strong stem and several lateral branches. These are mostly of early varieties. Varieties Vaishali, Rupali, Rasmi, and Pusa early dwarf. Second one is indeterminate type. These plants terminates in the vegetative bud and show continuous growth like vines. These are also called vine tomatoes. Their stem is long and big, hence they require support and staking. Fruiting is seen on lateral growth. Varieties of this group flower in cluster and fruiting is delayed. Variety Arka Rakshak, Arka Meghali, Arka Samrat, Arka Shaurav, and Arka Srestha. Popular varieties Pusha Ruby, Pusa Sadabahar, Punjab Chuara, Arka Bikash, Hisar Lalit and Pusa Gaurav. Hybrids varieties Pusa Hybrid 1, Pusa Hybrid 2, Pusa Hybrid 8, Pusa Hybrid 10, Pusa Hybrid 11, ATH1, ATH2, Baisali, Rupali, Seetal and Ratna. Varieties for protected cultivation. Indeterminate varieties like Arka Meghali, Arka Saurabh, Pusa Cherry Tomato Bun, Him Sona and Him Shekhar are developed under protected conditions. Brinjal. Brinjal is also known as eggplant. Based on the shape and the color of the fruit, brinjal is classified into three types. First one is round fruited. Varieties are Pusa Hybrid 6, Pusa Hybrid 9, Pusa Upkar, Arka Kusumkar and Manjari Gota. Second one is long fruited varieties. Pusa Bhairav, Pusa Hybrid 5, Pusa Kranti, Pusa Purple Cluster, Pusa Purple Long and Arka Shrees. And third, small and oval fruits. Fruited varieties are Arka Navneet, Bhagyamati, Pusa Uttam, Pusa Bindu and Baishali. Chili. Based on the shape and pungency of fruit, chili is classified into two types. First one is hot pepper. These are long and pungent. Important variety of chili are Pusa Jwala, Pant Sivan, Pusa Sadabahar, Andhra Jyoti, Bhagya Lakshmi, etc. Second one is sweet pepper. This type of chili is used as vegetable. It is popularly known as Simla Mirch. The fruits are of different colors, red, yellow and green. These are less pungent, bigger in size, broadly ribbed, fleshy with lesser seed and hollow. Sweet pepper has more demand in foreign market. Important variety of sweet pepper are California Wonder, Yellow Wonder, Arka Mohini, Arka Gaurav and King of North. Potato. Variety of potato are classified into early season, mid-season varieties, late season varieties and varieties suitable for processing. Early season varieties Kufri Asoka, Kufri Chandramukhi and Kufri Surya. Mid-season varieties Kufri Jyoti, Kufri Vasa, Kufri Bahar, Kufri Lalima, Kufri Jawahar, Kufri Satlaj, Kufri Pukhraj and Kufri Giriraj. Late season varieties Kufri Swarna, Kufri Sinduri. Varieties suitable for processing Kufri Chipsona 1, Kufri Chipsona 2 and Kufri Frysona. Now seed rate. Seed rate for solanaceous crops to produce seedling for 1 hectare field. Crop pure varieties gram per hectare. Hybrid gram per hectare. First one is tomato 400 to 500 gram per hectare. Hybrid 100 to 150 gram per hectare. Second one is brinjal pure varieties 400 to 500 gram per hectare. Hybrid 150 to 200 gram per hectare. Third one is chili pure varieties 1000 to 1250 gram per hectare. Hybrids 200 to 250 gram per hectare. Fourth, sweet pepper. Its pure varieties 750 to 800 gram per hectare. Hybrid 200 to 250 gram per hectare. Potatoes. Whole potatoes tuber 50 to 22.5 quintal per hectare and cut tubers 50 to 20 quintal per hectare. Now summary. So students, what we learned from this video, the important points are definition of seed, seed quality parameters, seed producing agencies, role of private seed sector, characteristic of important varieties, and about the seed rate of solanaceous vegetable crop. Thank you.